Hello and welcome to Sam Biology class. Friends, a significant difference between the bacterial and the eukaryotic gene control lies in the organization of functionally related genes. Many bacterial genes that have related function are clustered and under the control of a single promoter. The genes are often transcribed together into a single mRNA. A group of bacterial structural genes that have related function along with the promoter and additional sequences that control their transcription is called an operon. So an operon is a functional unit of DNA that consists of a set of structural genes along with the promoter and the operator. The operon regulates the expression of structural genes by controlling their transcription, which in bacteria is usually the most important level of gene regulation. This figure illustrates the organization of a typical operon. At one end of the operon, there is a set of three structural genes A, B and C. These three structural genes, which have related function, are transcribed together into a single mRNA. This mRNA is then translated to produce three enzymes A, B and C. These enzymes catalyze a series of biochemical reactions that convert the precursor X into the product Y. The structural genes are under the control of a single promoter which lies upstream of the first structural genes. The enzyme RNA polymerase binds to the promoter and then migrates downstream, transcribing the structural genes. A regulator gene helps to control the transcription of the structural genes of an operon. Although these genes affect the functioning of an operon, it is not considered as a part of it. The regulator gene has its own promoter and is transcribed into a short mRNA, which is then translated to produce a small protein known as the regulator protein. The regulator protein binds to another region of the operon known as the operator. The binding of the regulator protein to the operator will decide whether the structural genes will be transcribed or not. The operator usually overlaps the 3' end of the promoter and sometimes also overlap the 5' end of the first structural gene. Friends, this is an introduction of the operon. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class.